Sergio Ramos is one of the most celebrated football players in the world. Known for his incredible defensive skills, leadership, and ability to score crucial goals, Ramos has had a remarkable career. In this video, we will explain his life journey, lifestyle, net worth, and car collection. Number 1. Early life, Sergio Ramos. Garcia was born on March 30, 1986, in Camas, a small town in Seville, Spain. He grew up in a close-knit family with his parents, José María Ramos and Paqui Garcia, and two siblings, René and Miriam. From a young age, Sergio was passionate about football. His family supported his dream, and his older brother, René, played a significant role in guiding his early football career. Sergio joined the youth academy of Sevilla FC, one of the top clubs in Andalusia. His talent was evident from the start, and he quickly rose through the ranks. His physical strength, speed, and understanding of the game made him a standout player. Number 2. Rise through the ranks. Ramos made his first team debut for Sevilla FC in 2004 at the age of 18. He quickly became a key player for the team, known for his versatility, as he could play both as a right back and a center back. His performances attracted attention from top clubs across Europe. During his time at Sevilla, Ramos helped the team secure a sixth-place finish in La Liga, which earned them a spot in the UEFA Cup. His outstanding performances in domestic and European competitions showcased his potential to become one of the best defenders in the world. Number 3. Move to Real Madrid. In 2005, at the age of 19, Ramos made a high-profile move to Real Madrid, one of the most prestigious football clubs in the world. Real Madrid paid $27 million for Ramos, making him the most expensive Spanish teenager at the time. His transfer marked the beginning of a glorious chapter in his career. At Real Madrid, Ramos initially played as a right back before transitioning to a center-back role. His versatility, leadership, and ability to score goals, especially in crucial moments, made him an indispensable part of the team. Ramos became known for his aggressive defending, aerial prowess, and knack for scoring headers from set pieces. Number 4. Success at Real Madrid. Ramos's career at Real Madrid has been nothing short of spectacular. He has won numerous trophies with the club, including 5 La Liga titles, 4 UEFA Champions League titles, and 2 Copa del Rey titles. His leadership qualities earned him the captain's armband in 2015, succeeding Iker Casillas. One of the defining moments of Ramos's career came in the 2014 UEFA Champions League final against Atletico Madrid. With Real Madrid trailing 1-0, Ramos scored a dramatic equalizer in the 93rd minute, sending the match into extra time. Real Madrid went on to win 4-1, securing their 10th Champions League title, known as La Décima. This goal cemented Ramos's legacy as a clutch performer in crucial matches. Ramos continued to play a pivotal role in Real Madrid's subsequent Champions League victories in 2016, 2017, and 2018. His leadership on and off the pitch, coupled with his defensive solidity and goal-scoring ability, made him one of the best defenders of his generation. Before we continue further, tell us, are you enjoying the video? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos on Watch Celebrity 360. Let's continue now. Number 6. Move to Paris Saint-Germain. In 2021, after 16 successful years at Real Madrid, Ramos made a move to Paris Saint-Germain, PSG. His transfer to PSG was seen as an opportunity for a new challenge in his illustrious career. Despite some injury setbacks, Ramos continued to showcase his experience and defensive prowess in the French Ligue 1. At PSG, Ramos joined a star-studded lineup that included players like Neymar Jr., Kylian Mbappé, and Lionel Messi. His leadership and experience were valuable assets to the team as they aimed to achieve success in domestic and European competitions. Number 7. Lifestyle. Sergio Ramos is known for his charismatic personality and distinctive lifestyle. He married Pilar Rubio, a Spanish TV presenter and journalist, in 2019. The couple has 4 children: Sergio Jr., Marco, Alejandro, and Maximo Adriano. Ramos often shares moments with his family on social media, showing his strong bond with his wife and children. Ramos's lifestyle reflects his love for fashion, music, and horses. He has a passion for flamenco music and often plays the guitar. He is also a skilled equestrian and owns several horses, some of which compete in high-level equestrian events. Number 8. Philanthropy. Beyond football, Ramos is involved in various philanthropic activities. He has supported numerous charitable causes and organizations, focusing on children's health, education, and social inclusion. Ramos has been a UNICEF ambassador since 2014, advocating for the rights and well-being of children around the world. Ramos also has several business ventures. He has invested in real estate, fashion, and equestrian sports. He owns a horse breeding farm, Yaguada SR4, which specializes in breeding and training purebred Spanish horses. His passion for horses extends to competing in show jumping events, and he has won several awards in equestrian competitions. Number 9. Net worth. As of 2024, Sergio Ramos's estimated net worth is around $80 million. His wealth comes from his football salary endorsements and business ventures. During his time at Real Madrid, Ramos earned a significant salary, and his move to PSG came with a lucrative contract. Ramos has endorsement deals with major brands such as Nike, Pepsi, and Hugo Boss. These endorsements contribute significantly to his income and global brand status. Ramos's marketability and popularity have made him one of the most recognizable faces in football. Number 10. Luxury car collection. Sergio Ramos has a passion for cars and owns an impressive collection of luxury vehicles. His car collection reflects his taste for elegance, speed, and style. Some of the notable cars in Ramos's collection include 1. Porsche 911 Carrera S, a high-performance sports car known for its speed and agility. 2. Audi RS6 Avant, a powerful and stylish car that combines performance with practicality. 3. Range Rover Sport, a luxurious SUV that offers comfort and space, ideal for family travel. 4. Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG, a rugged and luxurious SUV known for its off-road capabilities and style. 5. Bentley Continental GT, a luxurious grand tourer that provides comfort and sophistication. 6. Ferrari 488 GTB, a stunning and powerful sports car known for its sleek design and high performance. 7. Aston Martin DB9, a stylish and elegant car that combines luxury with performance. 8. Audi Q7, a spacious and comfortable SUV, perfect for long drives and family outings. Ramos's car collection is not just about owning luxury vehicles. It reflects his success, style, and love for high-performance cars. Number 11. Impact and legacy. Sergio Ramos's impact on football is profound and far-reaching. His defensive skills, leadership qualities, and ability to score crucial goals have made him one of the best defenders of his generation. Ramos's aggressive style of play, aerial prowess, and knack for scoring headers from set pieces have set him apart as a unique and influential player. Ramos's influence extends beyond his achievements on the pitch. He is a global ambassador for football, promoting the sport and inspiring the next generation of players. His story of rising from a small town in Spain to becoming a global football icon resonates with people from all walks of life. Sergio Ramos's journey from commas to global football stardom is a remarkable story of talent, hard work, and perseverance. His achievements in football are impressive, and his lifestyle, net worth, and car collection reflect his success and dedication to his craft. Ramos's legacy will be remembered not just for his records and trophies, but for his impact on the sport and the lives he has touched through his philanthropy and inspiring journey. As he continues to play and contribute to the sport, his story remains a testament to what can be achieved with passion, determination, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay tuned.